Hello, hello. We've got mold problems. It's getting a bit serious. I know this is their original home, but I'm just going to guide them out of the edible flower garden to roam on the greatly expanse of the garden. So usually you could just use a clove of garlic, like one clove crushed. I'm going to just chop it up now. For 1 liter of water is sufficient, but this I've had to buy. And so here in the garden, we have wild garlic. So tilbachia I use it as a substitute most of the time for getting rid of all kinds of garden pests, whether it's moles or aphids or those teeny little bugs. I find it works equally well. So I'm just going to grab a couple of handfuls. So I'm just letting this soak, brewing it like a normal tea, and once it's cooled down, I'll be watering it over the plants in the area where the moles are really having a party. So, wonderful to know how easy and convenient it is to use things in your own garden or which you find in your kitchen to make a natural pest control.